Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to solve exercise 1A D2 math solutions question number 3. So already we are uploading two videos related to question number 1 and question number 2 on our channel. If you want to watch that, so visit our channel Math World. So here's in question number 3, if x is directly proportional to y, so here's a directly proportional. I will write after the explaining question that what is directly proportional, and they give us the value x is equals to 4.5 when y is equals to 3. So this value is help out to find out the constant of proportionality. So what is constant of proportional? I will explain. So here is x is directly proportional to y, so I will write x. This is the proportionality sign, so x directly proportional to y. So here, and x, after removing that, we will, this is a rule, we will use is equals to and k. So this is a rule. So I will write here, after removing that, it is equals to and k y. So here k is a constant of proportionality. So what is the constant of proportionality? That is k, which we write after removing proportionality sign. So this is the constant of proportionality. So firstly we will find this one by putting these values, these two values in this equation. So I will name that equation number 1. So here I will write, put x is equals to 4.5 and y is equals to 3 in equation 1, because I want to know this constant of proportionality. And so x is 4.5 here is equals to, as it is, a as it is, and the value of y is 3. So here, as you know that 3 is multiplied on the right hand side, so 3 will be divided on the left hand side. So I write 4.5 divided by 3 is equals to k. So which is implies that k is equals to, so here I will write 4.5 multiplied by 1 by 3, because I want to remove this decimal point, so therefore I will write this one as like this. So here I will write k is equals to 45 divided by 10 after removing the decimal point. So here multiply by 1 by 3. So here is 3 1 times 3, 315 times 45. So here will be k is equals to 15 divided by 10. So we will cancel out further. So 5 3 times 15 and 5 2 times 10. So here is k is equals to, final value of k is 3 by 2. So now I want to end part 1, an equation connecting x and y. So for connecting x and y, we will put this k value in equation number 1. So here I will write, put the value of k in equation 1. So that I will write. So now equation 1 is this, so I will write x is equals to, k is 3 by 2, so I will write here 3 by 2 and the y is as it is. So this is the part 1 is solved, x connected with y. So means that x is connected with y and there is no other variable between the x and y. There is a constant but no other variable. So this is the mean of part 1. Now we will solve is part 2. So in part 2 they ask that the value of x when y is equals to 6. Now we will use this one equation. So I will name that equation 2, because there is a k value, and if we want to find the value of x, so we will put 6. So easily find the value of x. So I will write, put y is equals to 6 in equation 2, and equation 2 is this. So I will write here x is equals to 3 by 2, y is 6. So I will write here 6 2 1 times 2 and 2 3 times 6. X is equals to 3 times will be 9. So the value of x is 9. So in the next part, in third part of this question, they asked as the value of y when x is equals to 12. So in this part we will find the value of y when x is equals to 12. So again we will use this equation number 2. So in equation number 2 I will write here equation number 2, x is equals to 3 by 2 y. So this is equation number 2. I will put the value of x. So I will write here, put x is equals to 12 in equation 2. I will also name that equation 2. So x is 12. So here 12 is equals to 3 by 2 and y is as it is, because we want to find the value of y. 2 is divided on the right hand side, so 2 will be multiplied on the left hand side. So 2 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 2 is equals to 3y. So 12 2 times will be 24 and 3 is multiply on the right hand side, so it will be divided on the left hand side. So it will be 3 is equals to y. 3 1 times 3 and 3 8 times 24. So the value of y is 8. So this is our solution of question number 3 part 3. I hope you understand this question number 3. If you like our video, so must subscribe to our channel and must hit the like button and also share the videos with your friends and families. Allah Hafiz.